warm, tender arms. Past the statue of Jesus and the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Sweet Josie of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering ways. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain, stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Sweet Henrietta, won't you tell me of your Euro days and the things you have seen? Won't you pardon me, man? I think my ride is here. I got a window seat on a song and it's sunny and clear. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home? She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home?
Aloha folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike on a fairly gloomy, cloudy day here in Laie. And I thought I'd just catch up with you guys and let you know what's on the docket, if you will. This is my neighborhood ride, and it's only about 12 miles, and I just kind of ride all around the Brigham Young University and then right out here to my surf spot and check the waves out. Yeah, it's about 45 minutes, maybe an hour sometimes, because I sit here and watch the waves for quite a while. But it's just getting out and enjoying myself. I've done some long rides in the last week. Nothing to film about, but just getting out and getting exercise. So I probably go out 3 or 4 times a week. And how do you like the new blue get-up here, huh? Pretty cool. Well, that's my neighborhood ride get-up, and that's probably the only time you'll see me in shorts. Because first of all, it's a cloudy day, and second, it's a short ride. Anyway, I'm trying to get myself psyched up, like I said, get out and ride around the island, but I've got to wait for this weather to lift. I'm not filming with cloudy weather. I'm waiting for blue skies and no wind. Last week we had lots of blue skies, but we had lots of wind. Today, just the opposite, no wind and gray sky. I got my drone fixed, but I haven't taken it up since I got it back because it was too windy. And now it's no wind, but terrible skies. But next week looks promising, so maybe I'll get back out on the road and see if I can get you guys another episode of Around the Island of Oahu. It would be kind of fun. Anywho, hey, guess what? I started surfing again. I'm so stoked. This is where I surf, and okay, no waves today, so I'm not going today, but tomorrow looks a little promising. I'm jazzed. I'm healing better and better. Still a little numb in the fingers, but I can pretty much do most things. I've started playing guitar again. Not the greatest, but at least I can try to do it. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, That is a wonderful week. And you're getting out and doing some riding, exercise, walking, talking, enjoying yourself. So you guys be healthy, be safe, and as I always say, be happy. Catch you guys somewhere in the future. I hope to have something going in a little while. You guys have a great week. Aloha.
Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Sweet Henrietta, won't you tell me of your Euro days and the things you have seen? Won't you pardon me, man? I think my ride is here. I got a window seat on a song and it's sunny and clear. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home? She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, won't you come home? Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Sweet Ululani, my island girl who's